Oke guys, match semifinal langsung aja lawan Brazil. Waduh, ketemu siapa ini ya finalnya kalau menang? Semifinal anjay. Lawan Brazil susah sih. Ya.
Expert analysis is Stuart Robson, and a special atmosphere for this very special contest. It's Argentina against Brazil.
Well, the visitors may be heavy favourites to get to the final, but this has the makings of a classic cup game because the hosts have a well-drilled defensive unit, are athletic when they're pressing the ball, and are threatening at set plays. It should be a good game, Derek.
Well-timed tackle. Fred. Neymar. Marquinhos. Fred. And Neymar. It might still be problematic. Oh, still alive. And this might not be the ideal situation for them. And there it is. The first goal of the semi-final. A huge moment. Extraordinary scenes.
Well, here it is again, and the clearance just isn't good enough. Giving up possession in the dangerous area. Just poor defending all round.
1-0 then. Messi. Now, who can he play it to? The pressure was high, and they could be in here. In a position from which they could potentially do a bit of damage here. Oh! A significant deflection, leaving the keeper flummoxed.
Well, there it is. Quite clearly, it takes a deflection, and that's enough to beat the keeper. Not much you can do there.
Come on, game on.
So, a level contest. What a one.
Number 22.
Sentak sendiri ya gue.
Tremendous challenge. Danilo. Rodrigo de Paul. Martinez. Paredes. Messi. Nahuel Molina. Romero. De Paul. Di Maria. Rodrigo de Paul. Gomez. For attacking possibilities. A disappointing end to the move. Neymar. Vinicius Junior. Might really be able to trouble them here. So the two teams have switched around and the second half is underway. Splendid tackle and a throw-in coming up. Danilo. At times they make passing look easy. And he read that brilliantly at the back. Casemiro. Neymar. Good defending. Martinez. Thiago Silva. Neymar. Vinicius Junior. Neymar. Now can they make something happen? Vinicius Junior. And that is how to tackle inside your own penalty area. 20 minutes to go in this one. Neymar. Take it away, he won the ball. Martinez. Gomez. Showing a real will to win the ball. Messi. Not showing good vision. Danger averted. Vinicius Junior. And a goal at this stage could be decisive.
Kalau lancar juga enak guys. Guys.
A really top-notch piece of defending. Lionel Messi. Fred. And the electronic forward showing 1 additional minute. Martinez. Di Maria. That is that after 90 minutes. They are level and extra time is coming up. Substitution time it is here. So away they go again. The first period of extra time, and it's legitimate to ask to what extent mental strength will come into this. Looking forward to it. Easy work for the keeper in the end. Rafinha. Fred. Making progress. Fred. Well, slightly off target, and that'll be a throw-in. Time for the change now. Lionel Messi. And the first period of extra time comes to an end. Still level here.
Nggak bisa gue kena. Ini Neymar diganti dia.
And so the drama continues here. We're into the second period of extra time. Effective challenge. Promising attack this, but they dealt with the threat posed. Determined defending. And support available. Well, it still could be dangerous. Well, they survived the attack. Argentina doing well to regain possession. The referee takes exception to the challenge. Free kick. Well, 5 minutes remaining in this, the second period of extra time. Locked together then, these two sides, and on we go now to penalty kicks. And this will test the mentality of any footballer.
Come on, come on, come on. Come on.
He's gambled on direction and won. Can he keep his cool?
Come on.
Mental preparation is such a big part of this. Well, the keeper reacts magnificently.
Nice.
And up he comes, doing his best to remain focused.
Come on. Vinicius. Kamu akan kemana, Vinicius? Kiri.
His turn to try to convert from the spot. And that is when you need your goalkeeper. And there it is, perfectly executed. So much on the line with regard to this penalty. Well, a successful kick here.
Smiro, please, Smiro. Kiri nih. Ya, nggak ketebak coy. Aduh, gugur guys.
your smile. Now the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a flame. I will